God damn.
I lost my 12mm because I wanted to take off the carbon fiber hatch so bad. I left my 12mm at the junkyard.
Damn, look at that tip. You like that, huh, fish?
No.
No. You need to buy a 10mm and a 12mm and keep it in your car at all times. Don't strip it. Use the other part, fish.
Which one?
The inside of the wrench. Don't strip that shit. If it doesn't fit, don't even do it because you're gonna struggle. You're gonna bust a Jose with his exhaust.
People.
No.
Yeah, you guys.
It was him by himself and then me.
My arm. Nope.
Stay up there, fish. Take it like a man. Shit ain't even loose, man.
Pero apúrale, güey. You can't take it out with that one.
I knew that. Where the fuck do you leave it?
It's right there.
Not the wrench.
Fuck, you going out, we're gonna strip it. Pero haz algo, güey.
Look at this guy. Freaking, we're doing his install for him.
Where's the wrench? Pass me the damn tool.
He lost it already.
That's it? And you still that's where all my tools are.
The fuck is that?
Oh, that's a warranty.
When you close your trunk right now, you're not gonna be able to open it. If it doesn't have all this shit that unlocks it over there. Unless it's plug and play.
The other gasket. Wait, aren't you gonna put this part in there?
It doesn't open either way.
But it would look better if it's on there, right? Rather than just a hole.
I was gonna say when it gets the carbon thing. That's all.
That probably closes.
See?
Not bad.
Still looks like a trunk.
Wait, what?
It looks sick now. It's all black.
This is the part I don't like. We're struggling with this bolt with the key. I don't know if the bolts got small over time or some shit, but the key doesn't want to go inside. He was able to take off one, but they're being a pain in the ass. Like they have like a special key.
I use these shits again, fish. No one's gonna steal your plates.
Woo. Now let's go put them on the other trunk. These went just right in. What the hell? And the other one we had to drill them to fucking get them inside.
Oh, fuck that.
Alright, just so starting tomorrow, guys, if you guys have a modified exhaust, I guess like they can give you a ticket now. Not a fix-it ticket, but a ticket.
Starting tomorrow?
Starting tomorrow. Well, starting tonight, the moment that clock hits 12, 2019, that new law goes into effect.
That's always been a law. You can't have a loud exhaust.
Yeah, I know, but they give you like a fix-it ticket in order for you to fix it.
Yeah. Don't mess with it again.
We're gonna take it off. We need a license plate light, remember?
Looks clean. So what happened to your little thing that goes here?
We can't tell them.
Why, is it a secret?
Yeah, it's a secret.
But you have it?
Yeah, it's real carbon. Trust me, guys. If you guys are my haters...
No, I mean the part that goes here, where is it?
Yeah, that's why. Just wait for it. Trust me, guys, the part that goes right here is going to be real carbon. If you're a hater, you're going to say it's not real carbon. So if you guys love me, support me. Hashtag fishing real carbon.
Fishing real carbon.
That's how I know you guys are my lovers.
Shit. Trunk came out pretty good though, huh? She's so smooth. I'm redoing my trunk on the Evo and the bumper too.
With the good clear?
Yeah. Fuck. Don't get pulled over, fish.
Alright, man. Thanks for the help. And shout out to Chino for stopping by and saying hi. Comment in the video saying you came because she doesn't believe me you came. Because he pulled up through here and then he's like, oh hey, and then he waved.
He just passed through here.
Yeah, because he was going up there to go drop something up for his sister.
The fuck?
That's according to him. Maybe he was gonna go get fish top and I didn't want to tell him.